What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated and it helps out a bunch. On the road to 100 now. So today we're going to be taking the EGR valve off of my 95 Yukon and attempting to clean it out. Hopefully it's still good. I've done a little bit of work to see which type it is, because sometimes the bolt will come out. Here. Down in there. Sometimes that bolt right there will come out and it's a Torx bit. Or sometimes that bolt, that nut comes out. Now that took a lot more strength to break that nut loose than I was expecting. So I was almost afraid that I wasn't going to be able to do it. But I've already got the air intake off. So what you do is there's a vacuum line that goes to there. I've already taken it off. And then this sensor, it goes in here. That comes off on the other side. For the other bolt, you want to take this line off right here, which I will do. And that other bolt is down in there. I'm going to have to clean the crap out of it because it's covered in mud. But I will catch up with y'all once I get it off completely. I'm the only one filming, so I don't really have a camera guy right now, so I can't really film and do this work at the same time. But this is the EGR valve and it's got to come off, and I'm gonna show y'all a trick to see if it's good or not as well. So give me just a minute and I'll catch up with y'all. Got one off. Got one off the easy side. Now I gotta get back in there. And get that one. Well, this is gonna be fun. So I'll catch up with y'all in a minute once I get it. Sorry about that, focus. I'll catch up with y'all in just a minute. Right, guys, we did it. I got both of them off. So now let's pull her out. And so hang on. You can see that's pretty dirty. Now, as long as this diaphragm, the trick is that vacuum line spot, if you push the diaphragm down, listen to that. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. The trick to it is if you can push it down and hold over that and it stays down and doesn't come up, then it's still a good diaphragm. So let's see if I can do it while filming. So like you can see, it's pushed down, it comes right back up. So push it down. And it comes right back up while holding this. So this is a bad EGR valve. That's why my check engine light comes on after driving for 30 minutes. So, time to get a new one of these. Catch up with y'all once I get it. Alright guys, what's up? So, got the new EGR valve today with the gasket. And if you get the BWD EGR valve, it will come with the gasket. If not, it's about $2. So, lucky for me, I didn't have to buy it separate. And this EGR valve ran me $39.99. It's a little bit more expensive for the normal customer. But let's go ahead and get this put on. Now I have already cleaned off the surface, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the gasket put on. Well, there we go. I will get back to y'all in just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put the EGR valve on, tighten it down, and then I'll catch up with y'all once we're assembling everything back on. Alright guys, we got the new EGR valve on, bolts are tightened. Let's go ahead and plug everything back in. There's that. Plug the sensor in. Let me see. I know I unplugged something else. Let me climb up here. Well, maybe I didn't. Maybe it was just those two. Well, there's the old gasket. Go ahead and put this back on real quick and I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Guys, we got her running, fixed up. We're gonna go take her out for a drive right now. See if there's any horsepower difference or if she rides any smoother. Drives, my fault. There. Oh no, the check engine light was on because I messed up and put a vacuum tube, misplaced the vacuum tube, but it went off now. Immediate throttle response now. That's what I like to see. It's definitely a lot more responsive now, so. Alright, I'll catch up with y'all in just a minute. Hey guys, what's up? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep this a short outro so it's not too long of a video.
But I will see y'all on the next one.